Good morning students. Last class we discussed HCF by using general method or listed method. Now by using prime factorization method. Already before classes how to find prime factorization between two numbers we know that. Now the same method we will apply and to find HCF. We'll take some examples. Find HCF. HCF of 8 and 12. 8 and 12 by using prime factorization method. On that, first of all, 8 will separate. We can write 2 4 jar 8, 2 2 jar. Okay, next 12. First we'll check with 2 is not possible. 2 6 jar 12, 2 3 jar 6 and 3 is the prime number. When we'll get prime number, then the process will end. Why? Because there is no factors of prime number. The prime number is a factor of itself. Here 2 is the prime number and 3 is the prime number. That's why the process will end. Now 8 is equal to, before method we used factors, but here prime factor, the product of prime factors. Here we use the product of prime factors, means 2 into 2. Next 12, 2 into 3. 2 into 2 is 8. 2 into 3 is 12. In that, which is common? See, these two is common. Okay, common factor. Common equal to 2 into 2. Then HCF is equal to 2 2 jar 4. Some different compared to before method and this method, some different. Why? Because in that we are taking separate, means the factors we are taking separately, but in the method we are taking the product of prime numbers. And finally we are taking the product only. Means how much product? For example, 2 into 2 is there. In case for example one more 2 will be, then 2 into 2 is the product. It means 2 into 2 is means 8. 8 is the HCF. Now we'll check some more problems. See, HCF of 12, 16, 28. 12, 16, 28. 12, 16, 28. First of all, find out for 12. 2 6 jar, 2 3 jar. This is 12. Next 16. 2 8 jar, 2 4 jar, 2 2 jar. Okay. Next 28. 2 14 jar, 2 7 jar, and 7 is the prime number. That's why the process will end. Okay. Now 12. How to write the product of prime numbers? How to write 12? 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Next, how to write 16, the product of prime numbers? 2 into 2. Okay. Here 12 is nothing but 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. I am writing like this. Then finally 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. Now what is the common value or common factor? See, observe here in 12, the first one, the product of prime factors, 2 into 2 is common. There is no 3. Here 7 is there, but 7 there is no common. Okay, out of the 3, which is common? Only 2 times. The 2 times is common. Observe, this is and this is and this is. 2 is 2 times. Here also 2 times is there, but here only in out of the product of prime factors of 12 is in only 2 times. In 16 4 times also is 4 times is there also, there is no common, that's why don't take that. Then 28 2 times is there, and one more is 7 also not there common. Then common is 2 into 2. HCF is equal to, what is the value? 4. HCF is equal to 4. HCF is equal to 4. Means this is the prime factorization method. See what I said before classes, the HCF value is always less than the given numbers. 4 is less than 12, less than 16, less than 28. Yes or no? Then 4 is a factor of these 3. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 28. The highest factor of this 3 is only 4, 1 and only 4. Okay, more than 4 is not possible any number. For example, take 6. See, 6 2s are 12, but 16 not possible, 28 not possible. 8 also not possible. For example, 7 4s are 28, but 7 is not a factor of 12, not a factor of 16. That's why the highest common factor, the highest HCF, the HCF of 12, 16, 28 is 4. Means 2 also possible, 1 also possible, but the highest value of these 3 is only 4. Now one more problem we'll check now. Now we'll take some big problem now. HCF of 70, 105 and 175. 175. Okay. HCF of 70, 105, 175. First take 70. 2 35 jar. Next 35 is odd number, not possible with 2. That's why then go to 3. 3 also not possible. With 5 is possible. 5 7 jar. 7 is the prime number. That's why the process will end. 70 equal to 2 into 5 into 7. 2 into 5 into 7. Next 105. With 2 only not possible. Why? Because 105 is the odd number. That's why we'll take 3. 3 is possible. 1 plus 0 plus 5. 6 is possible. 3 2 3 3 are 9. 3 5 are. Next 35 is not possible. 5 into 7. Okay. Last one means how to write? 105 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. 105 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. Next 175. 175 is not possible with 2. Why? Because it's the odd number, same as it is. Then 175 is possible with 3. We'll check. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 5 13 is not possible. Then we'll go to directly with 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 5 5s are 35. Again 5 7s are. Again 5 7s are. See, just observe the last each and every number is end with 7 only. Next 175 is equal to 5 into 5 into 7. Common. Which is common? In that 70 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. 105 is equal to 3 into 5 into 7. 175 is equal to 5 into 5 into 7. Means 5 into 7 is common. 5 into 7 is common. Means HCF equal to 35. HCF equal to 35. Just observe once again. For 70 to 35 are 70, 5 7 are 35. Means we are taking the product of prime factors. 70 we can write 2 into 5 into 7. Like that 105 also 3 into 5 into 7. Like that 175 also 5 into 5 into 7. Then what is the common of these three? Of these three numbers, the product is 5 into 7 is the common product of these three numbers. 5 into 7 is the common product of these three numbers. That's why 5 into 7 is the common product, and 5 7 are 35. 35 is the HCF of these three numbers. In case 35 2 are 70, 35 3 are 105, 35 3 5 are 175. Okay. 7 also common factor, 5 also common factor, but out of these three, which is the highest common factor is 35. One more thing, just observe, 35 is less than 70. 35 is the less than 70. What is the resultant value? Actually 35. 35 is the less than of each and every number of each and every given number. 70, 105, 175 gave, but 35 value is what is that? HCF is 35. 35 is less than the each and every number. 35. That's why HCF is always less than the given numbers. In case in some cases is equal to the smallest number. That also is equal to the smallest number. One more problem we'll check last. 12, 45, 75. 12, 45, 75. See, 12 will write 3 4 jar. Sorry, we can start with 2. We can start with 2. Why? Because 12 is the odd number. 2 6 jar and 2 3 jar. 45, 12 is the even number. Sorry, 12 is the even number. That's why it's possible with 2. Then 45 is the odd number. That's why it's not possible with 2. Then we'll go to with 3. 3 15 jar, 3 5 jar. Next 75, also odd number, is not possible with 2. 3 25 jar, 5 5 jar. Okay. Now 12 is equal to, how to write? Is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 45 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5, and 75 is equal to 2 in 3 into, sorry, here 3 into 3 into 5. 45, 3 into 3 into 5, 3 into 5 into 5. Now just observe which is common. In the product of prime numbers of 12 is only, what are the common here? Only 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. 5 is common between 45 and 75, but not 12. Here 3 also 1 only, but see, out of these 3 which is common? Only one number. What is the one digit is? Common is 3, and HCF also 3 only. HCF also 3 only. That's why the HCF of 12, 45, 75, HCF is 3. We have only one value is common, one digit is common. That's why HCF also 3. Okay students, next class will continue remaining problems. One more thing, the HCF of all numbers is 1, the HCF of all even numbers is 2. Why? Because every even number is divisible by 2. That's why the HCF of all even numbers is 2, the HCF of all numbers is 1. Okay, consecutive numbers. For example, 2 3 will take, no, the HCF of 2 3 means 1 will care. The HCF of 2 4 means will come 2. In case the HCF of 3 5 means 1 only. Why? Because 3 and 5 is in only one table. That's why HCF of 3 5 is 1, and 2 4. 2 4 means odd even numbers. That's why HCF of even numbers is 2. Okay, this is the HCF of even numbers by using prime factorization method. Next class will continue some more problems and LCM also. Thank you students.